Your employees deserve more than just a box-ticking approach to well-being in your workplace. Poor health costs UK businesses billions every year, but digital apps and platforms lack what's really important, the human connection. And here at New Leaf Health, we think that needs to change. Real interactions, real results, real progress, and real people. We deliver health and wellbeing interventions face-to-face and online across the UK using local experts to deliver a tailored experience for your business. And that's why we've got so many long-term clients, from SMEs to large multinationals, that trust us with their wellbeing programs. We don't do hard sells or unfair pricing. We find the right fit for your business and your budget. We're New Leaf Health, and we want to help you build a happier, healthier workplace. Explore our services on our website or get in touch today and a member of the team will get back to you to discuss your needs.